In this video, we're going to calculate beta by using three models. First one is slope, second one is regression model, and third one is using scatter diagram. For that, first of all, here you can see some data. Here is companies adjusting closing balance, and here one market adjusted closing balance. Now we need to calculate market return and company return. Market return, first of all, we need to put a formula here. Second one divided by first one. Make sure you need to put first bracket here and -1 go to here, and copy this formula to next cell and double click on it, and this will copy the rest of the cell. And now we're going to calculating the beta using slope. In Excel they have a formula called slope. It's a built-in formula, and here you can see that you need to put x value, y value, and x value. Y values are here. You need to select all of those and the rest of the cell, but I'm using keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut is Control Shift down arrow, and now you need to put a comma here. Make sure you need to put a comma, and then click this column, and you need to, and again I'm using the keyboard shortcut Control Shift up arrow, okay, and click enter. Here you go, and here is your beta. Now I will calculate beta using regression model. So you need to go to the data section. On the top right corner here you can see the data analysis, and you might not see this data analysis. If you can't see this, you need to go to the file section here and click options and click it add-ins and click go. Make sure you check mark those and click OK, and then you will see this data analysis on top right section here, and then click data analysis and make sure you have clicked the regression here and click OK, and you need to select the value. Here you can see you need to put the Y range. Click OK here, Control Shift down arrow, and click here and make sure you check mark this confidence level as 95%, and check mark this output range here, and click. You need to select a cell, any cell, no problem. Here you can see the beta. These are similar, and now we'll calculate the beta using scatter diagram. You need to go to the insert section and click here charts and click scatter diagram, and you need to select data. You might be select data here, or I can see here add data, and you can put a title, put it as a beta, and you need to put the X range here, Control Shift down arrow, and to select the Y range value here, Control Shift up arrow. Okay, then click OK. Okay, here you can see there's some dots here. We need to add a trend line here. Add trend line. Make sure you have check marked on linear, and you need to check marked on display on chart, display equation on chart, and display R squared value on chart. For making much visible this line, I'm going to change this color. Now it is more visible than before. Okay, here is the equation, you can see, and here the value is the same as this and that. Okay, that is it. So first of all, we have calculated the beta using slope, and then using regression model, and then using scatter diagram. Thank you very much.